Welcome to CW Marine and Powersports. Today I will show you how to safely operate Sea-Doos on Lake Simcoe. For preparation. Wear the life jackets properly, it cannot be taken off when you are on the water. Make sure it's tight. Once get on the Sea-Doo, take the key out from the glove box. Slide one end to the key slot. Buckle the other end to the strap on the life jacket completely. Put the personal belongings, such as cell phone and car keys, to the inner waterproof box, and close the latches. Do not operate without our staff's instruction. Operation. Press and hold the red button on the steering to start. The Sea-Doo will be started in neutral mode. In this mode, it will stay in a point. Yet it can be steered in neutral. The gas lever is at the right. While in neutral, tap the gas lever once, the Sea-Doo will shift to forward mode. It will maintain the idle speed unless the gas lever being pulled. In the geo-fence, pull the gas lever will gain speed. The Sea-Doo will de-accelerate to idle speed when release the whole gas lever. Brake lever is at the left. While in forward, tap the brake lever once, the Sea-Doo will shift to neutral and perform a complete stop. While in neutral, pull and hold the brake lever, the Sea-Doo will start reversing. All Sea-Doos in our rental fleet are equipped with GPS device. A geo-fence is mapped into the Sea-Doo ECU for safety purposes. They will only perform full performance inside the geo-fence. Sea-Doos will mainly be released on the floating dock near the shoreline, yet the other location inside the marina may also be used. Before reaching the geo-fence, the speed will be limited to around 10 to 15 km per hour. Always check the status on the GPS monitor. After being released from the dock or exited from the marina, drive straight at least 200 meters away from the shore, then turn right northbound. When the out-of-zone light on the GPS monitor goes off, the Sea-Doo will perform full performance. The geo-fence is basically between our marina and the other marina up north, below the middle line of the lake, and 200 meters from the shore. Return to the dock. When time is almost up, start planning to come back. Make sure be back at or before the time. Use both gas and brake levers to perform slow and tight maneuver. Line the Sea-Doo and the dock, slowly drive up. Once the bow is touching the guide wheels, press the gas lever hard to get on the dock. Turn off the engine right away after landing on the dock successfully. Even though the new Sea-Doos are very stable, yet there is still very light possibility to fall out depending on the driving habit. If so, swim back to the Sea-Doo as soon as possible, pull the boarding ladder at the back down, push yourself up and step on the ladder, then grab the handles on the seat, can get back on board easily this way. We never go from the side. If too much weight is applied on one side of the Sea-Doo, it might cause capsizing. In case it capsized, we need to disconnect the key and flip the Sea-Doo upright as soon as possible, to prevent permanent damage to the engine. Grab the jet intake grate at the bottom, step on the side, bring it back by your weight. When the Sea-Doo is making smoke at the back, making big noise or not getting speed while in geo-fence, the Sea-Doo might suck on seaweed. The driver need to disconnect the key, and safely get into the water. Grab the seaweed out from the intake grate to prevent engine overheating. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the water.